Open your image in Photoshop. Duplicate the background layer. Add a layer mask. Click on the duplicated layer. Select Image, Adjustments, Replace Color. When the Replace Color box opens up, select Image under the box, put Fuzziness at 200%, and then use the dropper to select the color you want to replace. Adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders until you are satisfied with the color. Repeat that process for any additional colors that you want to change. After you change all the colors that you want, you can adjust the opacity to get the desired effect. Now you want to remove the color adjustments from the subjects and any other part of the image that you don't want it to affect. To do this, you're going to click on the layer mask and paint with a black brush with a soft edge. Brush over the subject and any part of the image that you don't want the adjustments to affect at 100% opacity. So the trees have a green tint to them. I like to make a hue and saturation adjustment layer, and then I adjust the saturation and hue until it looks the way I want it to look. Just be sure that if you use that it does not affect any other part of the image you don't want it to affect. If it does, then just use your brush and paint with black and paint the areas that you do not want that effect. After this, then you'll want to merge the layers and save your image. This is just one of the many ways there is to change the color in Photoshop. I thought it was pretty simple and easy to follow. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. If you have suggestions, comment below.